Burn excess belly fat in just 1 week with this simple tea. This powerful tea will put your metabolism in a fat-burning mode, and you will begin to feel the fat melt off your body quickly. If you have been trying to lose belly fat without success, drink this tea and you will be surprised. Pay attention to how to use it at the end of the video for the best results. The first ingredient of this recipe is ginger. Ginger is famous for its thermogenic properties. It warms your body, thus helps increase your metabolism. The higher your metabolism is, the more calories you burn, and the easier it is to lose weight and keep it off. Besides, ginger suppresses your appetite and increases satiety. This is very useful if you are sticking to a diet that contains less calories than your previous one, because it makes you less suffer from hunger pangs. Now, prepare fresh ginger and cut 4 to 6 slices. You don't need to peel ginger, but rinse it and scrub up any visible dirt. Then, put ginger into a saucepan. Add 2 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. If you want a stronger ginger tea, extend the boiling time or use more slices of ginger. After 5 minutes, prepare black tea and add 1 teaspoon into the saucepan. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Studies have shown that black tea can enhance weight loss and have 5 belly fat. Among weight loss tea, black tea has the highest amount of caffeine. More caffeine means an extra boost of energy, which can help you burn more calories. Caffeine in black tea also helps increase your metabolism. Apart from more caffeine, black tea also has more flavonoids. These flavonoids have been shown to lower visceral fats and triglyceride levels, as well as inhibit inflammation-induced obesity. When combining black tea and ginger together, they help your body expel long-term accumulated fat, which makes you lose belly fat quickly. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and remove the pot from the stove. Pour the mixture in the saucepan into a fine sieve to strain the tea. Let the tea cool down for about 5 minutes or until cool enough to drink, but it should be warm. Before drinking, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten. You should drink this tea during the daytime because it contains caffeine. If taken in the evening, it can negatively affect your sleep. Research shows that sleep quality is important for general health and achieving a weight balance. I recommend drinking it 30 minutes after breakfast and lunch.